Good morning. This is FreshNews.ai's update for February 20, powered by FreshNews.ai. Marketing teams are restructuring AI visibility strategies so industry credibility and category association directly influence whether brands are selected by generative engines. Today's signal, generative tools are selecting brands based on how clearly they map a problem to a category and then to a credible provider. The operational shift is from broad messaging to tightly structured category narratives. Owners of positioning, messaging, and analytics need to agree on one precise description of what the brand is, who it is for, and what problem it solves. That description must appear the same way across core assets, as consistent, factual language that is easy for a system to reuse. Why it matters? Here are 4 takeaways. First, inconsistent descriptions of what you do lower your chances of being selected when tools summarize options. Second, vague category language makes it harder for systems to associate you with specific use cases. Third, fragmented messaging across teams produces conflicting answers that dilute authority. Fourth, clear category framing shortens evaluation cycles because your role is easier to understand. How it works in practice? Teams stop treating positioning as a slide and start treating it as a reference object used in most asset. One owner writes a single, plain language paragraph that states category, primary user, core problem, and distinctive approach. GTM, product, and comms replace local variations with this paragraph or a trimmed version without changing the meaning. Analytics tags this description as a field to track where it appears and where it does not. New pages, profiles, and decks are required to use the shared wording to keep the brand easy to interpret. One practical adjustment. By Friday, document one authoritative 3 to 5 sentence description of your category, customer, and problem solved. What to do next? Here are 4 takeaways. First, draft a single authoritative description that states your category, ideal customer, and primary problem solved. Second, review your homepage, company profile, and top 2 sales assets and replace conflicting descriptions with this version. Third, create a simple internal guideline that all new assets must reuse this description without semantic changes. Fourth, ask analytics to track where this description is present so you can see coverage and gaps over time. Thanks for listening to FreshNews.ai, news and insights. See details at FreshNews.ai.